What's going on, guys? Jason here from Poor Man's Preparing and PMP's Prep Box. And in this video we're going to get back to making prep box videos, and we're going to take a look at the navigation box. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, well, if you do not know, Prep Box was a subscription service I started that requires no subscription. You can just go order it every month. There are two different levels. Level 1, which is $50 every month plus shipping, and Level 2, which is $100 every month plus shipping. This month's theme was navigation, which navigation to me also entails being able to signal to get help, and so you can be rescued and things like that. So that being said, we're going to take a look at the items, starting off with Level 1 and then go from Level 2, and I'll give you the values of those items, and you can let me know what you think about it down in the comments. Alright, the first item up in Level 1 is a 7-in-1 survival whistle, and it has a value of $7.95. It has a whistle, an LED light, a magnifying glass, a mirror, a compass, a thermometer, and a little storage area so you can keep some fire tinder or something like that. This is a great little whistle. I actually keep one of these in my daughter's pack. She loves it. It's very loud. Plus it's a multi-use item, which is always great in my book. Alright, the second item up are the See Me LED stickers made by USD. They are a signaling device. You can attach these anywhere. They have a sticky back. Then you just turn them on, and they have several different modes, and they're great for signaling. They're also, it's like a mirror coat right here, so you can also use it in several different ways. These are visible up to a half of a mile, and they run for over 100 hours. So pretty cool. You can just slap these on anything, a hat, a backpack, or whatever at your camp, and these will be easily seen by whoever's trying to rescue you. And they have a value of $5.95. Alright, and the next item up is one of my favorite. It's a book. Books are great. It's knowledge. You can't remember everything, and this book is full of all kinds of information. Too much to go over here, but this was made by the headquarters of the Department of the Army, and was approved for public release, and now you get to have one and learn the same things the Army does. So pretty cool book there. I really hope you guys like this. Read this and learn from it, and you can learn how to use some of the other items in this box. So that has a value of $7.95. Alright, and the next item up is a Mayday signaling mirror. This mirror it's high impact plastic, easy to use with one hand. It floats in water, and it only weighs 1.5 ounces. Now this has a hole in it here where you can look to what you're trying to signal at, like an airplane, so you can accurately move that mirror to signal them so you know what you're looking at. So I wanted to give you a good high quality mirror, not just some cheap one, so that's why this one's in here. And it has a value of $9.95. Alright, now on to the better stuff. A True Arc 5 base plate compass made by Brenton. Now, this ain't no cheap compass. You see it's larger than the small, it's pretty good size compass. It has a value of $29.95. It's a great compass. Let's see if I can get a better focus on here. Yep, there you see there. It's just a really nice compass. I still have some things I need to learn about map reading and compass use, but I do have a copy of this book for myself, so I will be reading up on that. But this is a really nice compass. It's got your waypoint lines, or whatever they're called, some measurements over here, nice magnifying glass so you can read your map. This rotates. It's very smooth, and it's a global needle, and it's just very nice. You hold these out in front of you like this and point them towards what you want to go towards. But it's a very nice compass, and I still have a lot to learn, like I said, but it has a value of $29.95. Alright. The last item up in the Level 1 box is an Echo pocket scope in orange, otherwise known as a monocular. Now I wanted this one over a pair of binoculars because it's small, compact. It comes with a carrying case that goes right on your belt. It's orange, so it's easy to spot if you drop it or something, and it works really well. So it's a pretty cool item, and Of course, this will help you see what's coming ahead of you, or if you're just trying to scope out the area, this will help in that. And it has a value of $29.95. Alright, so there is the level 1 box. In total, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, and they have a total value of $91.70. Now, before we go on to the level 2 box, on the bottom of each info sheet, there's something that says a bonus item, because I said everybody who orders early was going to get a bonus item, but I just went ahead and gave it to everybody this month. But if you want to get the bonus item for the camp cooking box, go ahead and place your order by the 15th or something like that, and I'll give you the bonus item. But I included it for everybody this month, and it's a Streamlight Nano Light. Very good company. Streamlight's a good brand. This is super bright, lightweight, goes right on your keychain. The batteries last for 8 hours. 10 lumens, it's waterproof, LED, the batteries included. And this has a value of $10.95, and you get this for free, no matter if you order level 1 or level 2. This is my bonus for you, because I just want to thank you guys for supporting me. So I'm going to try to do a bonus now and then. But yeah, you get that no matter what. So including that with the value, you're over $100 value in the level 1 box. But let's move on to level 2. Alright, and the first item up in the level 2 box is this hybrid light solar headlamp. If anybody that's followed me for a long time knows that I love the hybrid lights. They're one of their lanterns, the puck lanterns. Absolutely love that thing. The good thing about these is they hold a charge for like ever. They seem to never die, and you can also charge your devices with it. But even cooler than that is this is the first headlamp I've ever seen that's solar powered, which is very cool. You can just plug this in and charge it right there out there in the wilderness, so you're good to go no matter what. And the reason I included the headlamp is because you need to be able to read your map, and what better way to have lights than a hands-free. So this is what that's for. Plus you can charge, if you have a GPS or something, maybe you can plug it in here, get a little extra charge on it, something like that, or charge your phone up. But yeah, it's just a great item, and it has a value of $24.95. And the last item in the level 2 box, and in the whole box period, is this beauty right here, the Code Steel SRK. Let's take it out of the box. And this is the first time I really threw in a really nice knife. And this knife has a $69.95 value, and it is nice. The sheath, it holds in there super tight. That thing is not coming out at all. So let's take a look at her right here. There, you see her. She is nice, and let me tell you, it's sharp. It is sharp. Excellent grip on it. If your hand is wet or anything like that, it's not going to matter with that grip. Let's see if there's little details on it. Blade length overall 6 inches. The overall weight is overall length is 10 3/4. SK5 steel. Sorry about the lawnmower. What's going on? The weight of this is 8.2 ounces, so not very heavy. 5mm thick. It's a solid blade. It'll withstand a lot of stuff and a lot of abuse. And the handle is 4 3/4 inches, and it's made of a Cray X material. I'm not really sure what that is, but it feels like a nice rubbery grip, which is very nice in the hand. It's very comfortable. It's a very nice blade, and I did get one of these for myself. I had to do it. But very nice, and with this one you get a warranty. We stand behind our products 100%. So anything happens to it, you send it back, you get another one for free. Very nice knife. Alright guys, so that is the navigation box for this month. I really hope you guys like it. It's the highest value yet. Overall, the total value is $186.60, and that's not counting the Streamlight, which is an additional $10.95 value. So you get all that for $100, almost double your money. But I hope you guys really like it and enjoy it. And I want to thank you guys for being a customer. That means a lot to me, supporting a small business. And if you want to sign up for the camp cooking box, you can go ahead and do that. Like I said, there will be a bonus if you sign up early. Just check in the comment section or the description below, and there'll be a link down there. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. And remember, be ready.